Reliance Industries Limited has set the vision of becoming net carbon zero by 2035. In line with the chairman's vision, Reliance Bioenergy is spearheading India's CBG revolution, starting with a 20 tons per day CBG project in the historical city of Barabanki, Uttar Pradesh. The Barabanki CBG project will prevent the burning of 50,000 tons of paddy straw per year, thus revitalizing the rural economy, and thereby will reduce emissions of over 40,000 tons of CO2 annually for a cleaner environment. This project has been designed and executed by GPS Renewables, India's leading full-stack biofuels company that has also executed and commissioned the Indore CBG project. Since its inception, the Barabanki CBG project had to overcome extreme challenges, starting from a harsh winter with near zero visibility to the city's worst rainfall in decades. The plant site was partially submerged and work had to be put on hold during monsoons. But the young, energetic project team overcame every challenge and achieved feet cut-in a record time of less than 9 months. Thereby setting a global benchmark on the 15th of August 2023 with 100% HSE compliance. The project also introduced many firsts in the field of CBG, such as implementation of the slip-form shuttering technology for digesters and tanks, which reduced the overall construction time of digesters by around 2/3. October of 2023 marks the start of the commercial sale of Bio-CNG from the world's fastest executed CBG plant at Barabanki. For the first time globally, the Barabanki CBG project has demonstrated that it is possible to achieve COD for CBG projects in 10 months straight, come fog, shine or even floods, without compromising on safety and quality. Simultaneously, Reliance Bioenergy and GPS Renewables have collaborated on multiple similar fast-paced CBG projects across the country today and are under construction. Stay tuned for more, क्योंकि अब भारत दौड़ेगा बायोगैस पे।
अब भारत दौड़ेगा बायोगैस।
अब भारत दौड़ेगा बायोगैस पे।
अब भारत दौड़ेगा बायोगैस। अब भारत दौड़ेगा बायोगैस।
अब भारत दौड़ेगा बायोगैस पे।
अब भारत दौड़ेगा।
अब भारत दौड़ेगा बायोगैस पे।
अब भारत दौड़ेगा बायोगैस।
अब भारत दौड़ेगा बायोगैस पे।
अब भारत दौड़ेगा बायोगैस पे।
अब भारत दौड़ेगा
बायोगैस पे।
अब अन्नदाता बनेंगे ऊर्जादाता।
अब अन्नदाता बनेंगे ऊर्जादाता।
अब अन्नदाता बनेंगे ऊर्जादाता।
अब अन्नदाता बनेंगे ऊर्जादाता।
अब अन्नदाता बनेंगे ऊर्जादाता।